This Engineering is Elementary digital how-to will demonstrate how to create the model tombs that will be used in lessons 3 and 4 of Lighten Up, Designing Lighting Systems. To create each tomb, you will need 1 copy paper box, a utility knife, tape, scissors, a marker, a copy of tomb wall floor grid, pages 3-2 and 3-3, and a copy of tomb wall vulture hieroglyphics, page 3-4. Building the tomb. Obtain a copy paper box or another cardboard box of the same size. On the inside and outside of the box, label one short end north and the other short end south. Label one long end east and one long end west. Align the 2 pages of the tomb floor grid to form a continuous grid. Tape the tomb floor grid onto the bottom of the box. Center the grid to the bottom of the box. Using a utility knife or scissors, cut out a drawbridge style flap in the bottom right-hand corner of the south wall of the box. The flap should be just large enough to snugly fit the wide end of a flashlight. Working from the outside of the box, cut a 2x2 viewing door on the right side of each wall of the box, just below the lip of the lid. Be sure to only cut 3 sides so that the door can be opened and closed. Place a tab of tape on the edge of each door so that it is easier to pull them open. Cut out the hieroglyphic images from the tomb wall, vulture hieroglyphics, and tape them onto the walls of the tomb. For hieroglyphics D, E, and F, you can cut them together as one piece. For the north end, place the hieroglyphic A about 3 inches from the lower right-hand corner of the north side of the box. For the east side of the box, place B about 6 inches in from the southeast corner of the box and 3 inches down from the top. For the south side of the box, place C about 1 inch in from the southwest corner of the box and 1 inch down from the top. For the west corner of the box, place D, E, and F about 1 inch from the northwest corner of the box and 2 inches down from the top.